In 1991, I was asked to join a group of colleagues at Colorado State University on a fairly straightforward writing across the curriculum program or an initiative in engineering. Forward with this project, and we used a lot of that funding to do a year's worth of analysis. We surveyed students, we met with faculty, we did some national surveys of practicing professionals in engineering. We went into the workplace and did observational studies. We came out with a lot of data. And at the end of that year, we had a retreat. We looked at what we'd learned, and we realized that most of our assumptions about how WAC would work at our university simply wouldn't hold up. So with the recognition that we had to look at WAC in a new way, we looked around at various models that were out there. There were some great models, certainly the things that had worked so well in the liberal arts colleges and in other places where teaching was highly valued. We also looked at bottom-up work, such as the work that had been done by Tori Herring-Smith. And then we started thinking about some of the work that had been going on with technology. The first year, we said, all right, we're going to build an integrated model that takes the best out of the top-down model, the best out of the bottom-up model. We're going to call it an integrated model, and we're going to use technology and writing centers as a key part of our efforts. Our goal, essentially, was to reduce the amount of effort that was required to do WAC work. And by the end of about 10 years of work on this kind of program, we found that we had been fairly successful in increasing the amount of writing used in our courses and in the awareness of faculty of the value of using writing to improve student learning and student communication skills.